Let's walk you through the setup process for your new espresso machine. After unboxing, don't forget to take out the toolbox, which is located behind the drip tray. Inside, you'll find all the accessories you need. Then, you will get all these accessories of this machine. Start by rinsing the accessories and drip tray, then let them air dry completely before reassembling. Now place the toolbox back in its spot and insert the drip tray back into place. Next, align the locking indicators on both the bean hopper and the hopper holder. Lightly press down on the hopper and rotate it clockwise until you feel some resistance. Now, remove the water tank from the back of the machine. Be sure to remove the red seal from the bottom of the tank before placing it back securely. Fill the tank with clean water, making sure not to exceed the max line. Let's start the initial cleaning. First, place a container under the group head and steam wand. Press the power button to turn on the machine. The indicators will flash while the machine heats up. Once they stop flashing and stay lit, the machine is ready to go. Press the double cup button, and water will flow from the group head. Once the water stops flowing, turn the dial to the steam position. Allow steam to flow for about 20 seconds. Once done, turn the dial back to the standby position. When the machine has finished reheating, turn the dial to hot water and let hot water flow for about 10 seconds. We recommend running this cleaning process at least twice. Finally, wipe the exterior with a damp cloth. Now your machine is all set to brew delicious espresso. Enjoy!